An architectural tour de force is the only way to describe this extraordinary custom-built waterfront contemporary. Perched high on a residential peninsula in East Orleans, this 5,600 square foot home sits on 1.3 acres and offers spectacular views of Woods Cove, Nauset Beach, and the Atlantic from the front, and Rachel's Cove and Town Cove from the back. Upon entering, you immediately sense the scale, fine craftsmanship, and unique materials found throughout the home. The first floor features a breathtaking open floor plan, featuring an expansive dining room and state-of-the-art kitchen that open to a large rear deck that spans the entire width of the house. On the opposite side of the floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace is an amazing two-story great room, traversed by an overhead bridge. A spacious master suite with a lavish master bath and private deck is located at one end of the home, while a second first-floor ensuite bedroom is situated at the opposite end. A beautiful red birch staircase with a custom-designed rail system featured in Architectural Digest leads you to the spectacular second-floor landing. Private office space is located at one end, followed by a lovely sitting area with views framed by a stone mantel. 3 spacious family bedrooms and a full bath complete the floor. The lower level features an exercise room, steam bath and sauna, and a large and well-equipped workshop, which could be converted into a home theater or recreation room. This extraordinary property has every luxury amenity you could ask for, including privacy, an abundance of versatile space, spectacular views, fine craftsmanship, and so much more.